welcome back to the part 2 of Komodo Island tour. Naturally, I woke up early at 6 and left at 7 for the harbour. We are catching a boat and today we are visiting overall 6 places. Some other diving spots, snorkeling spots, islands and obviously the national park. So yeah, excited. Let's go. Obviously started my day with a cup of coffee and some amazing views. And this is what I was wearing. It's something about the fast boats that I really love. I mean, just look at the view. Anyway, so the first spot that we're going to is called Padder Islands. Okay, so there are about 800 steps for the Padder Island view. Let's go. Look at that. Sure, it'll be much better up there. Let's go. You see, wherever I go, I get myself to hike. 800 steps reminds me of Hemkund Sahib trek. Everywhere I go, I have to hike because I like it. I like it. Yes guys, that's me in the red cap running towards that particular rock to take an aesthetic picture. I mean, things you have to do when you're traveling solo. Randomly giving your phone to random people and asking them to take a picture or a video or both.
Also take like a picture?
Picture?
Yeah, if taking the video.
So now I just said thank you from the rock and ran back to get my phone because एक बार के लिए डर भी लगता है कि मेरा phone लेके भाग तो नहीं जाएंगे. Anyway, so this was midway guys. We are going up slowly and steadily. ये मेरा एक और weird सा aesthetic angle and this is the final view guys. Just look at it. Okay, but it was worth it. Absolutely worth it. इसके बाद हम directly गए to the pink beach. Yes, I was so excited to see the pink beach because I've heard so many good things about it and it's all true. And also fun fact, you know how it gets its color? Basically all the dead red corals, they wash up to the shore and mix with the white sand, form this beautiful pink shade. Isn't that beautiful? Sunbathing का भी अपना ही मजा है actually. You know, अंग्रेजों की तरह sunbathing तो करनी है पर sunscreen apply करनी है every 5 minutes क्योंकि tan भी नहीं होना है. ये logic मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आता. Anyway, उसके बाद हम चले गए कोमोडो नेशनल पार्क. क्यों? इन्हें देखने के लिए. आंखें देखिए इनकी. So innocent. मुझे समझ नहीं आता क्यों हम इन्हें चेज कर रहे हैं for one picture and a video. I just don't understand. But मैंने इतना enjoy नहीं किया ये tour national park का. क्यों ये आपको बाद में पता चलेगा. Anyway, after the national park tour, we just went to a lot of other islands and we did a lot of snorkeling. I think 3 or 4 spots and obviously I couldn't take my phone everywhere. But hands down, it was one of the best snorkeling experience I've ever had. And obviously, we visited other isolated islands. अब उनको pronounce कैसे करना है ये मत पूछो. Taka. No, this is. Oh, what a beautiful day! I definitely felt like a mermaid. उसके बाद मैं आ गई अपने new boutique hostel/hotel में. I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. Hey guys, so I'm really sorry I'm recording like this because I have literally no energy to I'm gonna probably come like that. Hi guys, so I am done with my Komodo Island trip today. It was so unreal. And so the snorkeling part, because we saw like huge manta rays. I am not sure if I can put the footage because I've asked somebody to give me the footage, but let's see. If I get it, I'm gonna put it here. Otherwise, it's going to be here. You have to experience it for yourself. beautiful beaches and locations we had gone to. There were like almost 4 or 5 locations, and I clicked so many pictures. I saw the pink beach. It's beautiful, you'll see it. And so yeah, it was like really amazing day. It was really tiring though. It was like we had gone snorkeling for almost 3 times, so it's back to back, like one location, second, and then third, and then, but yeah, every time it was just so different. I got so much me time that I really was craving for since a very long time. Shut my eyes and I was just there. No phone, nothing at all for almost like an hour, and I just took a nap. It was great. Other than that, I would completely recommend this tour, but one thing that I didn't like about the Komodo Island tour is the Komodo Dragon tour, the trail, because I think I was not very happy on that trail, because basically I was expecting something else, that probably we are entering their habitat, their place to live, so we'll just spot them from distance and then just be happy. Probably people who want to click pictures, they can. And like, they were literally stopping the dragons and chasing the dragons, and then it was crazy. And I don't even think that the dragons deserve that. But that was my opinion and my experience, and I think I'm gonna go grab some coffee now. I'm back, I showered, I'm just resting, and my phone is on charge. That's why I'm in like this position, I'm sorry. But so yeah, that's it. Like, that's it for Labuan Bajo and Komodo Island. Major things that I really wanted to do. And now I'm gonna fly back to Bali, and then I have to go somewhere else. That you know. Yeah, I'm gonna come back again soon. And for now, bye, and hope you enjoyed the vlog. See you next time.